As a help desk professional, what can you do in 45 seconds? Not much, but you can restore a machine that's been corrupted and bring it back to its last known desired state. Utopic's Persystent Suite simplifies the recovery process by applying an automated, self-healing capability that repairs and recovers any PC without manual intervention. When frantic users call and say their machines are acting funny, attacked by malware, or worse, the hard drive is crashed, ask them to reboot. In that short period of time, Persystent applies the last approved state, even if disconnected from the network. It'll be as if the problem never happened. No re-imaging necessary. Persystent removes any unauthorized changes to the operating system. But it's not just for break or fix issues. It also increases success rates of sanctioned updates and patches. Save yourself hours, dollars, and sanity with Persystent. Contact us now for a demo.